guys, thank you for watching my convocation makeup looks. Convocation day is so important, so I want to make it look like simple makeup, but at the same time it's shiny and shine on my face. Okay, on convocation day, I suggest that maybe just a simple makeup but look elegant. I put some glitters on my eye, just a little bit glitter and some orange color, so it like summer vibes at the same time. It's convocation day, so I tak rasa semua like duduk indoor je, and some people may go outside photo shoot or something, so I want to make it look like summer vibes but elegant. So my lips, I put gradient color, so I tak nak macam nampak merah-merah pekat on my lips, sebab macam I cakap lah, I prefer convocation day just a simple makeup but nampak tak pucat and nampak cantik. Then the important thing is you have to wear highlighter, because I'm sure that you will go outside photo shoot or something. So if you don't wear highlighter, then bila tak ada gambar macam, you know what I mean, macam tak nampak shiny. So make sure that you wear highlighter, so bila tak gambar kat outdoor nampak highlight on point. Okay, I'm done talking about my makeup looks. So I'm gonna move into tips on convocation day. How to looks like you are comfortable on your convocation day. So tak adalah macam nak betulkan topi, nak betulkan jubah kan, asyik betulkan je nanti tak nampak selesa. For those girls yang free hair like me, make sure that you have to buy pin rambut yang macam ni, macam ni. Sebab your topi always nak jatuh tau. So make sure that you pin your topi with your hair. Sebab topi ni licin with your hair, so you have to pin it. Okay, so this is my pin and I'm just pin. Alright. Okay, so you have to pin like kiri and kanan, belakang, depan kalau boleh, suka hati lah. Janji topi tu tak jatuh. Serious, trust me, you have to sepit, you have to clip your hair, sebab nanti memang topi dia akan jatuh and you rasa tak selesa and you akan tak ada mood, maybe. So, another tips for me, make sure that your hair kemas like this. If you have fringe or bangs, make sure that you sikat kemas-kemas, sebab I pernah kena tahan sebab rambut I tak kemas. Like rambut I juga ada fringe and dia macam like, tutup mata. So biasanya orang tak bagi, orang-orang yang jaga kat situ tak akan bagi. So dia akan suruh kita sepit rambut dia. So make sure that you sepit je awal-awal, elakkan kebetahan or whatever. If you want to look more beautiful, you just curl up your hair, or if you memang jenis rambut straight, just straighten your hair. So nampak cantik on your convocation day. So for hijab girl or pakai tudung or pakai shawl, I think you just have to buy jarum peniti, just pin your topi with your tudung or shawl. I think it's okay. It's just same concept like clip ni, just to make sure that your topi tak terjatuh. I think yeah, belilah jarum peniti, okay? Okay, so next let's talk about kasut, shoes or heels. Some girls pening tau nak pakai kasut apa on convocation day. But to me, I suggest that you wear something yang comfortable, selesa. You doesn't have to wear heels like 7 inci, 4 inci, I don't know, just like heels yang memang risky gila. Suggest that you just wear simple like this. This is mine, simple, warna hitam, memang sesuai untuk combo. Sebab mostly convocation, macam kalau lelaki kena pakai kasut warna hitam kan, so perempuan yang pakai kasut hitam memang nampak formal lah. And make sure that dia tertutup your jari kaki. Sebab I rasa convocation tak boleh nampak jari kaki kot. Kalau you nak nampak cantik, you belilah point shoes ni, memang nampak feminine, cantik. This is my convocation shoes and see, pendek je. So I rasa selesa sangat kalau I berdiri dekat atas pentas nanti time nak ambil scroll. Sebab kalau I pakai heels, I takut nanti time ambil scroll tu I terpelik on. So I prefer that you guys kalau pening tak tahu nak beli kasut apa, belilah kasut jenis macam ni. Just like pendek macam ni je. And then tutup ibu jari kaki or whatever nampak jari kaki tu. And I think it's good to go. Ini last, the most important is you just bring extra pin or extra jarum peniti. Serious, that will help you because you don't know what gonna happen, right? So kasut pun kalau boleh bawa je spare. Kalau you ada kasut lebih, bawa je spare. Okay guys, thank you for watching my convocation makeup look and tips on how to look comfortable on your convocation day. Okay, so for those yang convocation juga, tahniah and congrats! I just can't wait to photo shoot and ambil scroll and just have fun on convocation day. By the way, I ada benda ni, warna merah ni. So this is for degree, for your information. Degree punya convocation. Kalau diploma dia tak ada benda ni. So I'm proud. I'm proud. Bangga dengan diri, cik. So congrats for those yang grad juga. And I'm just happy for you and I'm just happy for myself. And you can comment down below if you have anything, video that you want me to do or suggest me a video or anything, just comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. Bye!